So you've created a spreadsheet perhaps by accident instead of using the one I've attached, or maybe accidentally you deleted your spreadsheet on Google Classroom and have lost the link to it. So open the Google sheet that you need. It'll be in your recents in Google Drive. It'll be in your recents in Google Sheets app. Okay, so you've got it there. Now you need to head over to the Google Classroom to find the course that you need to be on. This obviously isn't a spreadsheet course, but this is an example course. So say that this one is your assignment. You're going to tap on your particular assignment that you need to attach it back to. And at the bottom of your iPad, there is a bit that says your work, or it might have said you've got any comments from me, probably saying please attach. And you've got this up arrow. You can either tap on it or you can swipe up. And then you get this menu here that says your work, add attachment. You can tap the add attachment button, and then you're going to choose the option of Drive at the top. And then you're going to go to Recent at the bottom of this list. And this will bring up all your recent files, and the one that you've got open should be right at the top there because you've just opened it. And now you can see at the top of the screen that it has attached my spreadsheet, and I can tap Hand in on it. And it will say 1 attachment more submitted. It might say 2 because you've got an older file. Just do hand in. Great, now it is handed in. It's really important that I have the spreadsheet and not a picture so that I can check your formulas, because I can't check that with just a picture. Thank you.